Hi there, students.
Hello, students.
Do you know the verb to enthrall? Do you know what a thrall is? What's a thrall?
A thrall is a slave, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this would basically be the base of the verb to enthrall. So, thrall is a slave, somebody who's been held captive by someone else.
Yeah. This word thrall is probably from Middle English. Imagine medieval times. If you are a churl, you're probably in the thrall of someone. Actually, I think a churl is a free man. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's see, what does this mean to enthrall?
Okay, so to enthrall has to do with being captivated by something. What else?
It captures your attention.
It engages you.
It's almost like you're bewitched by something.
Under a spell or something.
Yeah, because it's so beautiful, so interesting, so different. Notice to enthrall we normally use positively, and something enthralls somebody. So the picture enthralled him. Yeah, shall we try some examples? Could you?
Okay, so for example, maybe we could say that the kids were enthralled by the stories.
Or the stories enthralled the kids. Mm-hmm. Passive example, active example. Maybe another.
We went to watch a film yesterday, and I'd definitely say the film was enthralling.
Yeah, notice enthralling, the adjective. We were enthralled by the film, very definitely.
The film enthralled us.
The beauty of her singing enthralled me. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This television series is enthralling. The lecture he gave was enthralling. Okay, notice we also have the phrase to be in the thrall of, and this is much less positive. Yeah, it means you are held by something and you are a slave to it. Yeah, so an example of that.
The example, maybe we can think of Mammon, that is the god of money, has all of us, has the modern society, in the thrall.
In his thrall.
In his thrall.
Yeah, in modern society we are in the thrall of Mammon. We're in the power of the god of money. Mm-hmm. So let's go over the meaning again. To captivate, to spellbind, meaning to enthrall. Yeah, to capture the attention of.
To bewitch.
To bewitch, I like that one. And then in the thrall of, more negative, talking about power. Yeah. Okay?
And how about formality?
Okay, let's see. I think as a verb, to enthrall, probably a 7 in formality. You could probably use it in an informal conversation in the pub, but I think I would just say very interesting. This word sounds better in a more formal context. Yeah? And also, is it regular or irregular?
It's regular.
Yeah. Okay, so the film enthralled me. I was enthralled by it. Okay, so to enthrall, to enchant. Like the French, enchanté. Yeah? And remember, enthrall is positive, whereas in the thrall of is more negative. Yeah? So, enthrall for you. If you enjoyed the video,
give it a rating,
subscribe to my channel,
and we'll see you soon.
I'll see you soon. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Enthrall. In the thrall of.